Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to create a Snapchat account on Android device. Well, knowing how to create a Snapchat account allows you to join one of the most popular social media platforms, enabling you to connect with friends, share photos and videos, and discover engaging content. Creating a Snapchat account opens up opportunities for communication, self-expression, and entertainment, making it a valuable tool for staying connected with others and expressing yourself creatively. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to make sure that you have installed this application on the Play Store or App Store. Okay, so now open it. And then you can click sign up option. Click continue, and then you can click allow to give this application access to your device. Well, and here enter your name. And then you can click continue, and then enter your birth information. Click continue. Okay, and here you will see how your username appear on your account, or you can change it if you dislike it. Okay, click continue, and then you can create a strong password. Click continue. Okay, so here you can input your email address, and then click continue for the next step. Okay, so here enter your phone number please, or you can skip it. Next, you can add someone as your new friend. Okay, so here create your Bitmoji as you want, or you can also skip it here. Okay, so now your Snapchat account is successfully created. Well, that's the tutorial on how to create Snapchat account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.